All right. Hello. So I was sitting here and I was watching a video on YouTube, and um, it was Cosmic Skeptic. Uh, Alex O'Connor is Alex J. O'Connor. He's a intelligent guy, and I like watching his stuff. And it's very like it gets your juices running, and gets you thinking. But he uh he talks about you know like people being pro life and like how you know if they are, then why do they eat meat, and why do they consider one animal more important than the next? And like I eat meat, but I can see his view. Like if you consider one thing more important than another, and they're the same like chain of life, then like that's not kind of cool. But it got me thinking like what about plants? You know, their life as well. And you can say like one life is higher than another, or they are not. They can't be emotionally invested in anything. Or well, he put it a different way. I can't quite remember how he worded what his thoughts were on what's considered to be important life or not. If I'm saying that right, I don't know. But this is more of a question, and like to help me like get my thoughts more like in order. But yeah, what about plants? So I mean, if if we can't eat meat or eggs or anything that has to do with animals, because it's like going against, like it's a bad thing because it's like taking a life and stuff. Um, Plants are the same way. I mean, they're attached to each other. They communicate. People get really upset about cutting down many trees, and if we cut down too many trees or kill all the plants, that planet will die. We can't survive without it. Like, um, what about plants? That's what I was thinking about. And who's to say the plant's life is less than our own or any other life? Like, but then in that case, what do we eat? How do we survive if we can't eat any kind of thing? And and um, but what I was thinking was raw energy. I mean, once we die or we're killed, or even if we sacrifice ourselves, I mean, the earth takes us. It uses our energies or material and converts it into energy that it can use, and that is later on eaten by animals. I mean, it's like the Lion King, man, circle of life. Uh, and even when you're in a break of starvation, like I mean, we have way more like sources, like choices. We can choose to eat plant or animal because we have all this down. But people take the energy they can get as fast as they can get it, and and an abundance that they can get it. And the way to get it is like your choice. You know, I mean, we shouldn't go on a slaughter spree and start killing like humans and stuff. I think we just need to and eat in them because they're a big source of energy. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying like when it's available and it's done, that's what how people feel about it, and they don't think about the other stuff. Just like we don't think about plants or animals. Some people eat humans. It's all crazy, but people's just trying to get in source of energy to survive. And I don't know, could we even survive without food? We just drink water and survive, maybe, or the materials in water, like. So I don't know. All this is beyond me. But I was just thinking that it was just like a question, And so since I couldn't word it properly in a message and stuff, I figure I make a video and I ask and put it out. I don't know. I don't know if it'll get any views at all or anything like that. But it's crazy, huh? It's all crazy. It's interesting. I like it. I like it. I'm not. I'm a self philosophical thinker. I don't debate or anything like that. I'm not educated, schooled in this stuff or professionally. I'm not educated professionally in this stuff or anything. I just watch stuff on YouTube and sit here and think to myself, or I watch stuff on television or whatever, or something comes to my mind, like I see something outside and I just sit here and think of stuff. And I question. A lot of times I don't like talk to anybody about it. I just, probably just like a normal person who likes this kind of stuff, but don't take it to an extreme or further. So I'm pretty sure Alex more than likely will answer this question later on down the road, or maybe he already has, but I haven't seen it. And I watched like pretty much all of his stuff. So, or somebody else might have an answer. I don't know, but yeah, I was just wondering because off of what he'd been talking about. Uh, yeah, but that's it. That's kind of the question. Like, what about plants? Their life too.